Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Admit it. Your mistress, at least, would have a different story.
I'm just gonna go this way. What the hell is that?
You mean you don't have a mistress, and yet you are handsome enough, and you have an excellent air about you. I should have thought the ladies would faint for you by...
I'm gonna make it in 10 Jeeps. Where's Stater Brothers?
Right here. Turn off your brakes. Okay.
Come on, go!
You need to stop doing that. You don't prove that you're tough or not. Just talk. Babe, just leave him alone. No, don't, babe, don't start. Come on, I want to go home.
I'm going home. I'm not gonna sit here in the dark. I'm gonna make a big ass scene so everybody can see this little bitch. He just tried to swing at me. Back off, dude. Back the fuck off. Back up, bro. Back up.
Yes. Back okay, now they're in a fight. Now my husband's fighting someone else and he will not leave my husband alone. They will not stop. Please hurry. Please hurry. My name is Kimberly Phelps. My son is frightened. My son is crying. It's 2 against my husband and he's got... Alright, love you. Okay, bye.
My God, dude, what the? Holy. My God, dude, what? Holy.
menu. Being part of a project like that can launch your career. And HD even helped many of his contributors get jobs. Learning to find and develop exploits would really pay off for HD, but it was a tough ride for him to hold on to.
Yeah, I think it took about 3 or 4 years before we really turned the point from that's stupid and that's crappy to that's a script kiddie tool to
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.